Hi, this is Garrett with the Tutoring Center over in the Learning Commons, and this is the first part of a series of videos which will cover some core concepts in music theory. Today we're going to talk about identifying major key signatures. And in this particular video we're going to talk about sharp keys. So I'm going to draw a staff. And we're going to be in treble clef. And I'm going to draw some sharps here for you. Let's have F sharp and C sharp. And now what I'm going to ask is, what is the name of this major key? So there's a short 2 or 3-step process that we're going to go through to figure this out. The first step is to identify the last sharp. So we're reading from left to right. So the last sharp is going to be, in this case, C sharp. And step 2 is to move up a half step from that sharp. Oops. So it might help to visualize a keyboard here, so I'll draw one for you. Here's C sharp. So that's the sharp that we identified. And we're going to move up a half step. And that lands us at D. And step 3, well, that's it. That is the name of the key signature. So we're in D major. Okay, now what if I ask the opposite question? What if I ask, which sharps are in the key of E major? This is kind of like the opposite question that we answered earlier. And, well, you're going to work backwards to figure this out. But first, you need to know something that we call the order of sharps. Now, this is the order that sharps will always come in for all of these key signatures. And it starts with F, and it goes F, C, G, D, A, E, and B. And a way to memorize this is the mnemonic device, which is Father Charles goes down and ends battle. I'll write that for you. Father Charles goes down and ends battle. So this is the order that sharps will always come in. And we're going to use this to answer this question. So we're going to work backwards. We're going to first find the tonic key. And the tonic key is the note that the key is named after. So the tonic key in this case is E. That's right here. And 2, we're going to move down a half step from the tonic. So I'll draw an arrow. We're going to move down a half step, and that lands us on D sharp. And step 3 is kind of just refer to the order of sharps. So this key is going to contain D sharp, and then every sharp that precedes it in the order of sharps. So it's going to have D sharp, G sharp, C sharp, and F sharp. So if you want me to draw that, let's draw that on the staff up here. We'll have F sharp and C sharp. Those are already there from earlier. And I'm going to add G sharp and D sharp. And here is your key signature for the key of E major. I hope that helps. Thanks for viewing. And if you have any questions, you're always welcome to stop by at the Tutoring Center. Thank you.